Hi everybody, good afternoon. I'm doing this one. Weekly challenge WordMess is about WordPress, and they tell you, did you read the latest wp2shell? So this one gives us wp2shell. If you're online, you can see WP2shell critical plea authentication RC and WordPress core. Part of it SQL injection, and then it's very dangerous one. And of course, you can look for online. You say wscanner. There's another one, this shell POC, both, they all don't work. Now, if you test them, they don't work, and it tell you there is no W shell here. If you look here, first of all, if you don't inspect, it's a bit strange the way that you see, because if it's WordPress, you don't see empty here. This page is very strange to say it's WordPress. But here you can see REST API and dashboard. If you dashboard, and then first of all you get, that's why these they don't work, because there is some kind of firewall and you need to verify, and when you verify it, if you go to storage, you get this cookie forge flare, and you can see 1226 last access, when it expire 2710, so it's 1 minute 60 seconds. So after 60 seconds it will ask you again. So you have 1 minute to do things, otherwise to block you again. The next thing we have interesting is this REST API. And you can see it's exposing certain routes, so you can play with these ones to see what exactly you have. For example, let's catch this JSON file. If I edit and resend, and you can see now what we have. For example, we have this batch route, and here's a post a batch version 1. So if I do batch v1 and it gets the request and send it there, it says 404. If I do response, no route was found. What exactly? Why is not namespace? This is a batch 1, batch version. Why batch v1 is not there? Strangely enough, why is not showing now? Can't get that one. It would be w JSON. We have a namespace method batch v1 namespace post request. You see, after 1 minute you get this. After you get this, you just refresh your page, get your check again, and keep working. So that's it, is what it is. If I send now, you can send again. You need to catch the last one. So your last one is this one. After you refresh the page, and then you get it. So if you send, you get that one. I'm not sure what exactly, I'm not getting it right or something. Batch v1 no route found match in the error request method. Does it have a post request? It has method request is required for method post body, but for us it's not very important for us that part. And also if you do it with curl, if I do curl for example like that, you can see it's a forge flare challenge. That's why the other scripts doesn't work, you get blocked. Now the next endpoint interesting for us, we have this one, we have a v2, we have a w. Let's do quickly for 1 minute wv2 posts. So if I go there, challenge again, refresh the page, so we do the challenge, and then go back to your, so you need to catch the last one. You see now each minute it go there, very interesting. So we catch the last one, read it again, and now we can test the v2 and the w v2 posts. For example, you can see we access to it. That's the post request. Let's do it before minute expire. We have the interesting one is the user one. So if I do users, we can't really, it said forbidden. And interesting one, we have the plugin one. If you do the plugins one, it says sorry, so we can't access the plugin and the users one. But on the plugin, we can see if this is very important for the plugin later on. The option will tell us what we can do with them. Let's copy this so we can save it. We'll come back to this one. Let's save this one there. See what the plugin do. It tell you. Well, we can open it here for now, but we can save that line. Let's see. It tell you the plan. We have a get and post request endpoint, and we have very important the get. We are forbidden for that, but the post request, if we send the post request, interesting is these things. We need to send a slug, we need to have a status, some are not required, and then we have this hook, and default is empty. So these three variables we can see now. Now let's go back to our friend WordPress. So this one we know it. This is ask ChatGPT to explain it, but the vulnerability usually in that WordPress W2, basically you have three requests, one to JSON batch v1, you have 0, first one, 2, 3, and we have a malformed request. The first one, for example, like this one, is added to the request error information, but no matching route is added to the route match array. Serve request, we have a malformed widget and post 1, 2, 3. And then the flip, the one that we can't access later on, will be accessed is the widget that the middle one that we are not. Basically, somehow that's later WordPress. I incorrectly assume that both arrays still have match indexes, and it gives us request uses match 1, and which we looking for. We can do this in GS because this firewall we can do this faster, so we can put, for example, all the endpoint user post page command setting, all the one we test them. Basically this one use a fetch request to the patch, we choose our cookie automatically, so we can test this one for the console. What we've been doing this. Let's refresh the page. First of all, our minute is expired. After 1 minute is expired, so we get back to this one, refresh that one, go back to that one, but this time we go into the console. Let's close that one, and basically this is enumeration only. We're just trying to get all the endpoint one shot, so we don't have that 1 minute waiting, so we can just resolve for this thing. What's going on? No, we need to go to the front page. Because this one it doesn't run in the GS. Now we got a response. If I do that response, and now we got what we're looking for. See what we sent. We sent the first one, the users is forbidden. The post request, we get all the posts, so that one is open. The pages, it's you can see the pages are fine. The comment error, sorry, not allowed for the comment. The setting endpoint error, you are not allowed, and the plugin, the last, that's the plugin endpoint, that's a setting, both are forbidden. Remember, we can't access the plugin now. Now, if you follow the idea of this WordPress malformed request, the first 1 second, we can after we check, we can go now to our request. Same things. This one is just to read our cookie and send the data directly. I will share all of this in the comment. Now, so before, remember, we've been sending the normal one. Now we can use that CVE, the problem. So we send malformed one. So basically we're doing this one, the first one, malformed, and then we skewed. This is the one we couldn't get. Remember when we did a get request, what we got forbidden here. And then this one, a normal one, we have this one. So if I try this one, now let me refresh first of all before we get, let me see if we, yeah, it's check. So always check this one, verify, go back to the front page. Now let's remove this one. Let's close that one. Now let's send this one. Remember this one before we couldn't access the plugin one. So let's run it now. Strangely enough, it worked. So if I go now response and put this one, we're interested in this one now. Look what we got now. We got very interesting reply. we're more interested, we have this one active, and there's two plugin not active, so you can, let's not touch the active one. Usually don't touch something is live, you might break the system or something. Choose one, either VM Smiley or Linky, for example. This one I can, we have the plugin name here, so we can copy this, copy object. Let's put them out, and remember we copy that one. Let's see what this one give me. The name is WM Linkify. So now what exactly we do? Remember we got this one from the option. If I want to method option, remember we got this one when we did, so we can send a post request. Now because remember, now what's the console? Here we've been able to read this. Of course we don't have flag, so we can, the flag may be activate, deactivate a plugin itself. So what we'll do now, we can use this this status, so we can send a post request, we send the slug, we send the status, we send the hook. So now that's our payload to get us the flag. So it's the same things. So basically we do the same things. We do the mail font, but here we do the trick. So we send in a post request. Remember we talk about the slug, we got the status and hook. We're not touching it active, just play with it and see what happens. Hook, I just put test there. Make clickable. Is it named make it clickable? This is a Linkify. What is the name of the plugin? Did I got it right? Oh, the hook make clickable. Let's make it clickable. This is the smiley one. I think I'm doing it wrong. We don't use this. We call it. That's the how WordPress called the plugins. I don't know, it gave me the flag, but it's not supposed to be that. Snug is this one. So we're trying to interact with this plugin. Usually we are not allowed to do this, so let's try what happened. So basically we put in this one inside this one. So now we're splitting. Let's see if this one works. Let's refresh first of all, because definitely 1 minute is left. Let's go back to that one. Refresh. Let me go back to front page. Let's remove this one. Remove that one, and let's do that one. So basically we're targeting that one in the plugin. Let's send, it's no errors, so let's get, where is the response? And the response, what it give us, status forbidden, the body, sorry, mail format. The second one, why I'm not getting the flag? Oh, yeah, that's the flag. Interesting. And if I put active, let me remove that one before me. Do we get the body one? It's also flag. Interesting. So if I do, let's do another one. Where is the name of? Did we collect the name of the plugins? No, we didn't save them. Let's go back. Let's get the list of the plugin again. I want to test something before we jump. Is minute finished? Let's see if minute finished. Oh, it's not finished yet. Let's copy all of this, not you. So let's take another, for example, hello plugin, hello WordMess, hello.php, states hook capital. What is the slug for this plugin? Name hello. Yeah, that's usually the slug for This is W smiley. We did this one. This is smiley. How many are there? Hello, wait a minute. Let's try this one. Status 200 plugin. Hello, my status active. Let's deactivate it. Let's see if this one gets us the flag. So let's do, hold on. No, let me get confirmation again. Refresh the page. Let me go to console. Run. I got it. Let's see if we got the flag. So you can just activate, interact with the plugin. Hello, med. Oh, we got the flag. So you can play with any flag that you have in your list of plugin, and you can activate, deactivate. Doesn't matter. You get. You can activate, deactivate. So it's not necessary. Room just testing you if you understand the concept. So, and that's the flag. Okay, I think that's it. So the principle here is sneaking a mail form, then what you want, and then that one. That's my best understanding in this story. To be honest, I'm not sure if 100%. I got assistance with codecs. I hope this won't help. I will share all these links to them if you want them. Yeah, thank you everybody, and have a good day.